Imagine waking up, pouring a cup of coffee, and checking your inbox to find this incredibly detailed morning status report.
Right, but not from a human employee.
Exactly. From an AI that basically spent the whole night coordinating projects, answering customer emails, and fixing bottlenecks.
Hmm.
That's, the reality we are exploring today. I have our usual starting point, the AI Agent Store.ai website, pulled up on my screen right now, and we're looking at a platform called Ordify AI.
Yeah, and Ordify stands out immediately because it's a closed-source, no-code platform. It's really built specifically for, operations managers, founders, and project managers to build and coordinate a team of AI workers.
Okay, so let's unpack this a bit. Building a custom AI agent without any code.
Huh.
And that sounds essentially like interviewing and hiring a digital employee without needing to know a single programming language.
Totally. But building the AI is just step one. The real value is what happens after, which brings us to its ability to work completely unsupervised. The site highlights their 84% autonomy level via this feature they call the Agent Factory.
Wait, what does that actually mean in practice, though? Because a lot of tools claim to be autonomous just because they can, run a scheduled script.
Right. And that distinction is exactly what we need to look at. With the Agent Factory, you are setting up multi-agent workflows using scheduling and event triggers.
Okay.
But the critical part is that the agent just keeps running. You can close your laptop browser, and it keeps processing incoming data. And even if the system restarts, its memory survives completely intact.
See, here's where it gets really interesting to me. I mean, standard cloud software has run in the background with a closed laptop for over 20 years. So why is Ordify's setup actually different from just a standard cron job or a scheduled background task?
Because a standard background task is just blindly executing a pre-written command, Ordify's agents are making independent, cognitive decisions while you sleep based on incoming unstructured variables.
Unstructured variables, like
a messy customer email, yeah. Think of those event triggers like a complex set of dominoes. Instead of a human having to evaluate a request to push the first domino, the AI monitors the inbox, reads the context, decides which domino to push, and then oversees the entire chain reaction all the way to completion.
So it's not just running in the background, it's actively reasoning. That really changes things. But to reason effectively while I'm offline, it needs to actually understand my specific business, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And it does that using our edge.
Retrieval augmented generation.
Right, to handle documents, images, and live web searches. Instead of just guessing or hallucinating an answer based on its general training, RA acts like a strict open book test for the AI.
Oh, okay, so it's actually looking things up.
Exactly. When an event triggers it, say, an unexpected vendor question, the agent first searches your company's actual internal PDF manuals or databases. It extracts the exact relevant paragraph and uses that highly specific context to write its reply. It's actively citing your own sources completely unsupervised.
Wow. So we're talking about an always-on agent that actively reads, understands, and acts on your internal data without waiting for a prompt. Usually, enterprise software with that kind of persistent memory and cognitive reasoning costs like thousands of dollars to implement.
Oh, easily.
But looking at the site, Ordify starts at a flat $29 a month. That shifts the paradigm entirely by making autonomous operations accessible for essentially $1 a day.
It really does. What's fascinating here is that shift from reactive software to proactive management. By combining RAG with continuous uptime, you aren't just querying data anymore. You have an autonomous system actively managing your company's knowledge base.
So it really frames Ordify AI as a highly practical, accessible step toward a 24/7 digital workforce for non-programmers.
It does. It levels the playing field in a major way.
Yeah, and leaving you with a thought to mull over as these no-code AI workers gain persistent memory and run these complex scheduled workflows while we sleep. How long will it be before human managers are the ones receiving morning status reports from their AI rather than the other way around?
That is a wild thought to chew on. It might be sooner than we think.
Definitely. If you want to check this platform out for yourself, head over to AIAgentStore.ai to explore further. Thank you so much for rating the podcast. It really helps us out. Catch you next time.